Before taking you through the mind nudging trails in practice and what you might experience as you go through a trail, I want to give you a quick overview on the what and the why Thinking 5.0 was developed. I want to start with the challenges that we're all facing globally right now. The first of which is the AI partnership paradox, how we work with AI rather than outsource our thinking to it. The second thing is the knowledge tsunami. The third challenge is the misinformation warfare. The fourth is the culture wars. And the fifth is uncertainty and the chaos we're all facing. Thinking 5.0 was designed as both a methodology, process, and technology. The goal is to help organizations and individuals speed, scale, and sustain both learning and change. The outcomes that we work towards are to keep people cognitively protected, build resilience, help them become completely adaptive to this new world, be effective and highly productive, and of course thrive in this very new and alien environment that we all find ourselves in. So let's take a 5-minute peek into how mind nudging trails work as you go about your day. Now I'm going to give you an example of a mind nudging trail. This is a 5-day trail. Well, you can see there it's on growth mindset for leaders in industry 5.0. It's a foundational mind nudging trail. So let's take a little peek of what it is and of course how it works. So what this is designed to do, mind nudging, is to systematically build neural pathways, or allow the participant of course to build neural pathways as they're going about their day. So you can see at the top there is complete your setup. And in this section, very, very simple, everybody needs to personalize how they want to go through this aura journey. So it picks up your time zone where you are. You can see we're in London, and you can see here, what time do I want my daily nudge? You can pick any time you like. Some people might like it with a coffee at 7 a.m. and some are more later than that, would like it on the train to listen to. So the important thing here is the process. You see here we've got observe, reflect, action. So the first theme is called Tripod of Motivation. I can either play it if I'm going about my day or having a coffee, or I can read it.
Today's mantra: using safety, belonging, and mattering as anchors, we observe that others chase hollow achievements without a foundation of purpose. When Christine Comaford pioneered neuroscience-based leadership at billion-dollar companies, she discovered leaders failed not from lack of ambition, but from pursuing goals disconnected from the brain's 3 fundamental needs: safety, belonging, and mattering. Today, observe which goals energize you versus drain you. Notice whether your aspirations connect to genuine safety, belonging, or mattering, or whether you are chasing achievements that look impressive but feel hollow.
Okay, so you see how quick this mind nudging effect is. The observe is there purely to help you notice things and start to raise your awareness about this particular theme. What it's doing is priming your mind as you're going about your day. So you get 2 nudges a day. The second nudge is just nudging you to reflect back on what you noticed about this particular theme. Just to reiterate, a theme could be a frame of mind, a thought, a bias, a habit, and of course it could be a skill that you want to learn or a strategy, and break that down over the 5 days. We come back in the afternoon, we get nudged, we get brought back to our reflection nudge. The reflection is where we learn. The first stage is to observe, raise our awareness. The second stage is to reflect on what did we notice about that and what have we learnt from that. Okay, so in the reflection, we have 2 options. We can type into the reflection if we like journaling, or if we're on the go in the flow, give yourself a voice note and it will start to record what I'm saying here. And it transcribes this for me. And then I click my journal and it will send it to my journal. It starts to personalize your entire journey over time and recommend mind nudging trails that are going to bring you to your goals personally and also meet the needs of the organization. I can move on to my what's called action. Remember, aura, observe, reflect, action. So in the action phrase, what the AI is doing, and this is why I'm going to bring Socratic AI guide in, it would pick up both the theme and everything I've done so far, and it will start to contextualize the action for me. Like any AI supported technology and personalization for learning or change, it of course is going to be better with time and data. If you get a bit stuck on the observation or the reflection, you just literally press nudge me. That will be contextualized, so it'll pick up whatever we're interacting with and make it contextual and relevant. So fundamentally, that is the mind nudging side. So we're busy building thousands of trails in our library. We can design against any human-centric skill.